Imagine starting your day with a bowl of green noodles, savoring its tangy taste. Picture this, the noodles are just the beginning of a day-long green adventure. Next up, a refreshing green smoothie packed with the goodness of spinach and kale. As the day progresses, the green journey continues with a plate of crispy fried okra. Midday, it's time for a snack, and what better than a handful of green jelly beans? Sweet, sour, and oh so delicious. Dinner time rolls around and it's a lavish spread of green vegetables cooked to perfection. And the day isn't complete without a scoop of mint chocolate chip ice cream, the perfect end to a day of green indulgence. This is a boy's journey, a green journey. He invites you to join him to discover the magic of green. Don't forget to subscribe and join us on this green adventure. Until next time, keep it green.